In Colorado, Young Invincibles passes policies that improve the lives of young people furthest from power and privilege. In 2021, we looked at women's involvement in the workforce and found that lack of access to childcare was one of the central barriers that women face in retaining employment. We investigated this relationship with a survey that we sent out to women in Colorado with children under the age of 5. Here are 3 key findings from our research. First, women are disproportionately impacted by lack of access to childcare. Most women in our survey, 79% of respondents, reported being the primary caregiver in their family. Second, women of color are particularly harmed by lack of accessible or affordable childcare, especially Black, Latinx, and Indigenous women who face intersecting forms of oppression. The effect of the pandemic has been twofold for Black and Latinx women, who comprise much of the childcare workforce and also face greater barriers in securing childcare for their own families. And third, in Colorado, childcare is incredibly difficult for families to afford and to access, and this has only gotten worse during the pandemic. A study by the Economic Policy Institute prior to the pandemic showed that Colorado was ranked the 8th highest out of 50 states for most expensive infant care, and parents now face challenges in finding open childcare slots due to a workforce shortage. This childcare shortage is an issue that reduces women's opportunities to work, and it ultimately harms historically marginalized communities. Its consequences limit women's access to healthcare, higher education, and other opportunities to better their lives and care for loved ones. COVID-19 recovery efforts should first take into account the wages lost by women and families during the pandemic, and second, focus on rebuilding and strengthening the childcare sector in Colorado so that it is equipped to serve families' needs. No one should have to risk their employment simply because they cannot access childcare. Young Invincibles is working with our partner organizations on initiatives in these recovery efforts, and we need your help. If you are a working parent, we are asking you to share your own story and help us fight for you. Please visit our webpage listed here for more information about how you can become involved with our efforts.